Hi there folks, and welcome to the word solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 21. So in our first story we've got student doctor numbers to rise by 25% from 2018 onwards. So there's currently 6,000 training places a year. How many training places will be offered from 2018 onwards? So we need to work out 25% of 6,000 first. That's the amount of increase in places. So to find 25%, of course, it's a quarter. We divide it by 4, that's probably the simplest way to do it. So that's an increase of 1,500 places. So to get the number of places that are going to be offered from 2018 onwards, we add the increase onto the original amount to get an answer of 7,500 places. So it's simple enough to start. Okay, our second story. So a wholesaler is suggesting that fish and chip shops should sell extra small portions as a healthier option, and an industry survey has even suggested 45% of customers would agree with this and want this. Well, I can assure you I'm one of the 55% who don't. Anyway, there's 10,500 additional fish and chip shops in the UK. This is 8.4 times the number of McDonald's restaurants and 12.5 times the number of KFC outlets. So how many more fish and chip shops are there in the UK compared to McDonald's and KFC's combined? So it's a wee kind of multi-step problem here. Right, let's work out the number of McDonald's in the UK first of all. So if there's 8.4 times that number in terms of fish and chip shops, we can divide the number of fish and chip shops by 8.4 to get the number of McDonald's, which is 1,250. Similarly for KFC, we're going to divide the 10,500 by 12.5 to get an answer of 840 KFCs. So to work out how many more fish and chip shops there are, we add the McDonald's and the KFC together and take it away from 10,500 to get a final answer of 8,410 more fish and chip shops. Okay, so an interesting wee story in our technology article this week. So the PIN number inventor joins Scotland's Engineering Hall of Fame, and he comes from Paisley as well. And in case you hadn't guessed, you're listening to a Paisley accent as we speak, so good on Paisley. So, and he even got a £10 bonus for his work back in the day. I wonder if he invented it today, if he would get any more. Right, so in honour of this story, we've got a wee guess the PIN number game. Here are the following clues. So digit 1 is the square root of 49, which of course is 7. Digit 2, we've got a wee BODMAS sum, 3 take away 1 times 2. So obviously we have to multiply first. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 take away 2 gives us 1. Okay, so digit 3 is the highest common factor of 12 and 30. So the biggest number that we can divide 12 and 30 by. And once you write out all the factors and circle the biggest number that appears in both lists, we get 6. And digit 4 was a wee bit tougher to spot, the next number in the sequence. So did we spot that this was a wee Fibonacci sequence? So the next term is got by adding the two previous ones. So 1 plus 2 gives us 3, 2 plus 3 gives us 5, and 3 plus 5 gives us 8. So the PIN number is 7168. So I wonder if you get that one right. If you did, well done. So in a story featuring Asia, we've got Toyota launching a baby robot for companionship. So a palm-sized robot that can hold conversations is about to go on sale, and it's been designed to provide companionship. So the robot has a price of 39,801 yen, and the current exchange rate is £1 equals 132.67 yen. So how much does the robot cost in pounds? So to change foreign currency back into pounds, we divide by the exchange rate, and that gives us a final answer of £300. So you can buy a friend for £300. Not bad, eh? Anyway, that concludes our word solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 21. I hope you found them useful. Stay tuned for next week's issue, when we're going to be looking at stories from the news the following week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.